How to file Tesla tax credit. Collect all necessary documents, including your purchase agreement, vehicle identification number, or VIN, of your Tesla, and any other relevant paperwork. Visit the IRS website and download Form 8936, titled Qualified Plug-in Electric Drive Motor Vehicle Credit. Complete the form with accurate information about your Tesla, including its make, model, purchase date, and cost. Determine the amount of the tax credit you're eligible for based on the specific model and year of your Tesla. The credit can be up to $7,500 depending on various factors. Submit Form 8936 along with your annual tax return to claim the tax credit. Make sure all information on the form is accurate and complete. After submitting your tax return, allow time for the IRS to process it and apply the tax credit accordingly. This process may take some time. Thanks for watching.